All right, this is the Chez Orthopedic Washable Dog Bed. This is the 36 by 27 by 7 inch version. These are the measurements just on the outside. Inside here, we're looking at 26 by 17. So the company did send me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. And my opinion is, it is very comfortable feeling. So when this arrives, it comes in a box in 3 different packages. One of the packages contains the outside cover right here, and the other package contains the egg crate that goes on the inside on the bottom, and the third package contains 4 bolsters that go inside of here. There's 2 shorter ones, a longer, thinner one, and a longer, thicker one. The packages are completely air sealed, so you're going to have to be careful cutting them open, and they're going to expand over the course of 24 hours because it is kind of an egg crate material. So we've got some very soft fleece on here, very plush. We have an anti-slip bottom on here, which is going to be great if your dog's prone to jump up quickly, maybe go see who's at the door. You know, so it'll be great for keeping them from doing a burnout, maybe pulling or aggravating something. You can see on here it's got 360-degree support, like a full fence design around here for head and neck support. Sometimes my dog likes to put his head up on the side here. Sometimes he likes to hide away in there and crash out. On the bottom here is one zipper that comes all the way around here. So when you go to put this in, you're going to want to be careful. There's an egg crate material on here that has like a waterproof lining on it. Be careful when you put this in. You're going to want to take your time on that. And when you do assemble this originally, you're going to pull this whole cover off, and inside of here is another zippered section where you're going to put these bolsters in. And my suggestion to you is kind of zipper it around the corner on one side, stuff the bolster in there, and work your way around. Stuff the other one in, work your way around. You know, take your time, make sure you don't tear anything. This is Rigatoni. He's about 13 pounds. He's about the size of a dachshund. You can see how big this bed is in here for him. Here, lay down, lay down. Look at that. Plenty of room for you to crash out in there, huh, buddy? So he's about 13 pounds. He's a dachshund mix, maybe about the size of an Italian Greyhound, a little bit bigger, but plenty of room for him in there. Perfect size for my little guy to hang out in and sleep. I like the neck and headrest area, and I totally like the fact that I can machine wash this cover if I needed to. So very nice.